Hey there, it's your girl Tweetie, and welcome to my daily smoothie series, Blends by Tweetie, where I blend up more than just fruit. I'm sharing smoothies that nourish life, whether you're a new mom trying to lose or gain weight, fueling your workout, boosting milk supply, or sneaking veggies into picky eaters. Have got a recipe for you. From pregnancy to postpartum, kids to older adults, I've got a smoothie for everybody and every season of life. I'll be sharing powerful, quick, easy recipes packed with ingredients that actually make a difference. Smart swaps, and all the little tips that make your smoothie next level, So, whether you're eating, fueling, glowing, or just surviving another morning, I got you. Hit the follow and subscribe button. Grab your blender and let's sip all the way to better days. Welcome to Blends by Tweetie.
Hey smoothie lovers, welcome back to Blends by Tweetie, where we blend with purpose, sip with intention, and glow from the inside out. Today we are blending up pure tropical comfort, my Coconut Banana Bliss Smoothie, at just about 190 calories. It's the perfect balance of creamy, sweet, and absolutely so soothing. You'll need one banana for natural sweetness and that silky texture. Half a cup of rich, velvety coconut milk for that island flavor. Just half a teaspoon of vanilla extract to deepen the aroma. A dash of cinnamon for warmth, and of course some ice to make it frosty and refreshing. Blend until smooth. First sip, like banana bread and coconut cream pie in one. Sweet, creamy, tropical with a warm hint of cinnamon. This smoothie is more than delicious. It's loaded with potassium from the banana for muscle recovery, healthy fat from coconut for long-lasting energy, and it's naturally dairy-free. Blend this up, take a sip, and tell me, is this not heaven in a glass? Recreate it and let me know if you love it as much as I do. Bye.
I got you. Yes.